Hello, let's learn how to calculate daily calorie deficit to achieve desired weight loss. For this, you have to remember that 1 pound of body fat, if you want to lose, you have to burn 3500 kilocalories. So, to do all these kind of sums, you have to remember this formula that step 1 is, first you should know how much weight loss you want to do. Desired weight loss multiplied by 3500 calories per pound divided by number of weeks. This will give you weekly calorie deficit. Once you get the weekly calorie deficit, step 2 is to divide the weekly calorie deficit by 7 days, because there are 7 days in a week. So you will get daily calorie deficit. So let us try to do the question number 1, which says Simi wants to lose 15 pounds in 20 weeks. What daily calorie deficit is required to reach this goal? So, how much Simi wants to lose? 15 pounds. So, as per step 1, I will write step 1, 15 pounds multiplied by 3500 calories. So this will give you divided by number of weeks. How many weeks are there? 20 weeks. So here I will get my weekly calorie deficit. Weekly calorie deficit. So let us multiply 15 with 3500. It comes to, let me use my calculator. You will get the calculator on your exam also. It will be there in the PC only, your PC only. So this comes to 50,500 divided by 20. It will be 2625 kilocalories, weekly kilocalorie deficit. Now the step 2 is 2625 kilocalorie. I will be making the weekly calorie deficit. I will divide it by 7 days, as there are 7 days in a week. So 2625 divided by 7 comes to 375 kilocalories per day. So this will be my daily calorie deficit. The question reads, we will repeat it. Simi wants to lose 15 pounds in 20 weeks. What daily calorie deficit is required to reach this goal? So, I want to lose 15 pounds. We will multiply 15 pounds with 3500 kilocalories, as there are in 1 pound 3500 kilocalories. So divided by number of weeks. How many weeks are there? 20 weeks. So it will be weekly calorie deficit. This figure calculation comes to 50,500 divided by 20. So you will get 2625 kilocalorie weekly calorie deficit. The step 2 is to divide the weekly kilocalorie deficit by number of days, that is 7 days, as there are 7 days in a week. So you will get 375 kilocalorie per day daily calorie deficit to reach the desired goal in 20 weeks. Now coming to second question, if Simi creates a deficit of 500 kilocalorie each day, how long it will take her to lose 11 pounds? So the calorie deficit each day is 500. I will tell you this sum can be done in very easy way, and or you can do this in a little complicated way as given in this formula. First I will give you the simple way. So daily calorie deficit is 500. So in a week you will be losing basically 3500 kilocalories, which is equivalent to 1 pound. How many pounds I want to lose? 11 pounds. So the answer is 11 weeks. This is the easiest one. Now if you want to do the same as per this formula, you have to do the step 1. Desired weight loss is 11 pounds multiplied by 3500 kilocalories per pound, and number of weeks is not given here. So number of weeks, we will just write number of weeks, and weekly calorie deficit we will find out by 500 into 7. So when I multiply 11 with 3500, it comes to 3500 multiplied by 11, 38,500, and here comes your number of weeks. I am putting a question mark because we are not aware of. Then I will write is equal to, this comes to 3500. So in the next step, this question mark, that is number of weeks, will go here, and this figure of 3500 will come on this side, like 38,500 divided by 3,500 is equal to number of weeks. So 38,500 divided by 3,500 comes to 11 weeks. So the second way I calculated by putting everything in the given formula here, and in the first step it was very easy to calculate because it was very straight away, like 500 calories each day. So in 7 days it will be 3,500 calories. So in 1 pound will be lost in 1 week. 11 pounds you can lose in 11 weeks. So the answer for this question is that 11 weeks. But if you are using this formula as given in step 1 and step 2, then you have to write 11, that desired weight loss is 11 pounds multiplied by 3,500 kilocalories and divided by number of weeks, which we are not aware of, is equal to 500 weekly calorie deficit of 500, because every day it will be 500 calorie each day multiplied by 7. So this figure comes to, when I calculate 38,500 divided by number of weeks, I put the question mark because we are not aware of this figure, and on this side when I have calculated this figure it comes to 3,500. So this question mark will go this side and this figure will come this side. 38,500 divided by 3,500, number of weeks. The answer is 11 weeks. I hope this is clear to you now, and in the next video I will be handling a few more sums related with the weight loss, because this is a very important concept and you will have around 3 to 4 questions in your exam. And looking at all these figures, and these sums were very small simple sums, but in exam you will be having 6-7 statements and then you have to figure out which sum, how to go about doing this sum. So if you are practicing time and again, you will be able to do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you have liked it, please press the like button and do share with other friends who want to learn about these calculations. It will be my pleasure to know about your comments also, so that I continue to do this work. Thank you so much once again.